To change background process limit in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, find background process limit, background process limit, and then tap background process limit. Select option you want, standard limit, no background processes, at most 1 process, at most 2 processes, at most 3 processes, at most 4 processes. Example. Or standard limit. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.